Pokemon History with Professor Leek. Generation 1 introduced the Ice-type move Blizzard. In Generation 1, it has a 10% chance of freezing the target and an accuracy of 90%. In Generation 2 and 3, Blizzard's accuracy was reduced to 70%. Blizzard will hit both opponents in double battles. Blizzard can be used in Pokemon contests in combination with Hail and Powder Snow for additional points. In Generation 4 and 5, when used during Hail, Blizzard bypasses accuracy checks to always hit. In triple battles, Blizzard will only hit opposing adjacent Pokemon. In Generation 6 and forwards, Blizzard's power was reduced from 120 to 110. It will target all opponents. Blizzard can be used in Pokemon contests in combination with Hail to gain more points. Like, comment, and subscribe.